Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So I came with another new video. In this video, I'm going to speak about IELTS tips and tricks which will really gonna help you in your IELTS exam. So without any delay, let's begin.
So, to begin with the first module, which is listening, I have told you in my previous video that listening has 40 questions. First step is that recording will be played once, so make sure to hear it with fully mindfulness because you are not going to hear the recording again. Whenever you hear the answer, make sure to write it down on that time because you will forget if you try hearing all the recording and then writing the answers. Second trick is that focus on keywords. Pay attention to keywords in the question because this will really help you to get the correct answer. Look for synonym or paraphrase in the listening text. This will really increase the chance of getting correct answer and you will get it. Next thing is which is really important, practice listening to different accents because the IELTS listening test includes a variety of accents. Example, British, Australian, and American. So practice listening to different accents to help you to become more adaptable with these. You can listen to BBC English, podcast, or watch different types of web series. Coming to second module, which is reading. So first step of reading is just quickly read the paragraph to get a general idea of the content. Focus on title, heading, and the first and last two sentences of the paragraph because most of the time you are going to get the answer from first and last two sentences of the paragraph. And just quickly scan, search for a specific detail like what is question asking and just underline which is important for you, like dates, keywords, or someone's name which is mentioned. Just highlight this, which will help you in further questions. Next thing is that read the question first. It's the first thing. Before reading the passage in detail, make sure you go through the questions. This will help you to focus on the relevant parts of the passage and make your reading more efficient because while reading the passage you will get an idea from the question that in which part you have to focus on and what answer you have to make, mark it or highlight it. Third tip is that manage your time. You have 60 minutes to answer all the 40 questions, so aim to spend 20 minutes in each paragraph so you are able to complete all the reading questions. If a question is taking too long, so just go to another paragraph and do it later if you have some time. Don't waste your time on a single paragraph when it's too much lengthy or difficult. Just go for another paragraph. Last thing which I would like to say is that improve your vocabulary. A strong vocabulary will help you for the better understanding of the text of the para and identify key points quickly. You can do this by regularly practicing reading a wide range of materials such as newspapers, novels, and there are many articles. I will also share you the link in the description, which is Essay Boosters. This will really gonna help you in the writing also. So I will just give you the link. Next module is a writing module. In this module, you have to write two tasks which is task 1 and task 2. Task 1 contain a table, pie chart or a graph. You just have to go through with that and understand what the graph is saying and just write it down. First, you have to write the introduction. Make sure your introduction should be crisp and clear. And second thing, plan before writing, because spend some minutes planning your response and what points you are going to write and what are the points you are going to contrast with the questions, because this will really help you and you will get a idea what you have to write. It will help you to organize ideas and stay on track. In task 2, also you have to outline your introduction, main points and a conclusion. This will really gonna help you, as I am giving you the description below of essay boosters for reading task also and the writing one also, because the essay boosters give you a variety of ideas of topics which will definitely gonna come into your IELTS exam. So the last module is speaking. Tips for speaking is that be natural and fluent. Speak naturally and fluently without overthinking. If you make a mistake, don't worry, just continue speaking. Aim for smooth flow of speech rather than focusing on grammar. If you focus on the grammar while speaking, you will make such mistakes, and avoid pauses. Fluency is more important. Uh, yes, grammar is also important, but make sure you are speaking fluently. This will help you to increase your bands. Second thing is understand the format. In the part 1, the examiner will ask you about your introduction and personal questions, which will take 4 to 5 minutes, and you have to answer all the question in just 3 to 4 sentences. In the part 2, long term, when you have to speak for 2 minutes after preparing for 1 minute, the examination will give you a cue card and will give you a topic, and there are 3 to 4 questions more which you have to answer. You will get 1 minute of the preparation, so make sure to write down some points so you can speak for 2 minutes without taking any pause. Third thing is use a range of vocabulary and grammar. This will really help you to increase your bands. Use a variety of vocabulary, including synonyms and idioms. Next step is that practice speaking regularly. Practice speaking English every day with a language tutor, or even by recording yourself. You can do mirror speaking. This will really improve your speaking skills. Try to discuss a variety of topics and practice speaking for 2 minutes by taking any of the topic from your surroundings. This will really help you in the writing part 2. Next thing is listen to the examiner. Make sure you fully understand the questions before you answer. If necessary, ask the examiner that to repeat or clarify the questions once again. You can also take a moment to think before answering, but don't pause for too long. This can reduce your bands. Stay calm and confident. Stay relaxed and confident throughout the test. Last tip is that just keep speaking even if you are not sure. If you don't have the exact answer, so just keep talking logically, express your ideas, and show your ability to communicate. Just don't take pause, especially long pauses. By practicing regularly and following these tips will help you to improve your performance in the I speaking test. So that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. We'll come back on the next weekend with a new video. Bye bye.